Hi guys, it's Steve from Techie Tips, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to install PuTTY on your Windows 10 computer. So if you're already searching for PuTTY, then I guess you know what it is, but I'll give you a little explanation of what PuTTY does. So PuTTY is a free and open source terminal emulator, serial console or network file transfer application. It supports several network protocols including SCP, SSH, Telnet, rlogin and a raw socket connection. It can also be used as a serial port, so you can use PuTTY to connect to your website to do file transfer. Can do many things with it. It doesn't always come with your Windows 10, so this is how to install it, and then you can start connecting to servers and other particular websites if you've got your own website. It's quite handy. So first of all, what you need to do is you need to go to this website here, which I'm going to highlight for you, charrick.greenwood.org.uk, sgtatham/PuTTY. That's the address there. Once you get here, you can see that there's a number of options. Down in the second line it says the latest version is 0.74, download here. And what I'd like you to do is to just click on the download here button, like so, left click, and then you'll come to this page. Now what we're looking for is we're looking for the packaged files, and we're looking for the MSI Windows installer if you're installing it on Windows 10 or any it doesn't have to be Windows 10, it can be Windows 7, but most people have Windows 10 now, and depending on the operating system that you have, whether it be 64-bit or 32-bit. If you've got a new computer, then new computers generally are 64-bit operating systems. If you want to check that, if you come down to the start button, and if you go into file, well, in fact, if we go to the search button and go to File Explorer, and then if we go to this PC, right click and do Properties, you can see here it gives us some system information. Now under system type, you will see that on my particular laptop here, it's a 64-bit operating system, x64 based processor, so I need this 64-bit x86 one. If yours says 32-bit here, 32-bit, then you would need the 32-bit, but as I say, most people have the 64-bit. That's how you check to see if you're running 64-bit or 32. So what we do now is the 64-bit, which is this one here. We need to install PuTTY. So what we would do is we would left click, and it'll start downloading. As you can see here, PuTTY, it's a very small file, so it doesn't take long at all. We'll just let that download. Once it's downloaded, if you come to the arrow on the right hand side, what we're going to do is we're going to go to Show in Folder, and we can see that it's gone to our Downloads folder, and all we're going to do is we're going to left click on it to do the install. that will open up the welcome to the PuTTY release 0.74 64-bit setup wizard. All we need to do now is click next, and then this is where it's going to be downloaded. See program files, do next, and then we come to this screen here. Now we can see the second option down here is add shortcut to PuTTY on the desktop. Will be installed on the local hard drive. So I'm going to select will be installed on the local hard drive, and then I'm going to do install. So don't forget, it's going to add a shortcut onto the desktop. So we do install. We give it a few minutes to install, shouldn't take very long at all. It's only a small file. And then we get to the end of the wizard, and we can see that PuTTY completed the PuTTY release 0.74 64-bit wizard setup, and click finish. So now if we go to our desktop, here's the icon, PuTTY 64-bit. If we left click now, it will open PuTTY, and we're ready to connect to an IP address, a server, and do whatever else you want to do with this particular application. So guys, that's how you install PuTTY on your Windows 10 PC. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please subscribe to my channel. I do uplift videos every week on various technical aspects of computers and laptops, and please hit the like button, as that helps me run this channel. Okay, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.